Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to turn off the desktop background in Windows 10 using the ease of access settings. This can be helpful if you want to simplify your desktop or improve visibility. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Once the Settings app is open, click on the option labeled Ease of Access. This section is designed to help you customize Windows for better accessibility and usability. In the left-hand menu, select Display. This will bring up a set of options related to how Windows displays content on your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Show Desktop Background. Toggle the switch to turn this option off. Once you've turned off the desktop background, you'll notice that your desktop now displays a solid dark black color instead of the background image. This can make your desktop look cleaner and reduce visual distractions, especially if you prefer a minimalist look. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the desktop background using the ease of access settings in Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.